Hey, what's going on, guys? My channel's name's 𝗵𝗵𝗸𝗲, but you could call me Eric, and I'm going to be unboxing MKBHD's Core Logo Windbreaker. I personally thought the black/graphite one looked the best. I am a person who likes black, white, gray, and green, as you guys could tell. And here I have it on my right side. So this is the boxing that it came in. Really nice. I love the design on this. As a graphic designer, just things like this appealed to me. I did cross out my address. But yeah, hopefully, so here I have it on my screen right here. Let me just go down. And this is what it's going to look like. I believe it's going to have a really high premium material because, you know, MKBHD. And if you're watching this, I love you, man. Enjoy all your videos. So let's get straight to it. I'm not sure if I want to okay, it just comes off like that. So comes in a nice little bag. Nothing in here. Paper. This is my address on here. Paper that just tells you about the order. And here is the windbreaker itself. Just feeling it already, it feels really nice. Okay, is there an opening, or do I, you know what, I'm just gonna tear it apart. Alright, so here it is. Other side. I think this looks really nice. And the thing about MKBHD's logo is it's very minimalistic with it doesn't really represent his brand majorly, even though I know his logo is on here, but it's kind of like a clean look instead of hey, you know, this is my YouTube channel, or hey, this is, you know, come buy my merch and support me. But yeah, let me put this on. Whoa, a little hard to get off here. What the? MKBHD? There you go. Alright. Oh, this feels nice. This feels really nice. So on your wrist right here, it doesn't super wrap around you, but it feels light. Alright. So this is this right here. Full 360 look. Zip this baby up. Something about the bottom is pretty hard to zip up, but no, actually that was easy. Zip all the way just to see what that looks like. Oh, this feels really premium. How much did I buy this for? $40, yeah. Oh, I have a mirror right here, so. But yeah, feels really nice. I love it. What if I put the hood on? I mean, this is it fully, but you could adjust it, obviously. I'm ready to take this to school with me. Okay, yeah, the bottom does have a little struggle to take off or put it on. Putting it on was easier, but other than that, I love it. You know what? All right, we got to keep this bad boy zipped up. But yeah, if you guys were thinking of getting one, since he does have a limited every once in a while, at least that's the last time I saw, I think it's definitely worth your money. You know, you could support him, his logo right here. You could support his YouTube channel. Really great content creator, and just, you know, have a nice windbreaker for yourself. But yeah, that's it for the video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you guys in the next one.